Hello people, how are you? My name's Kev, this is Angling and Anxiety.
Fish on, baby! Listen to that reel! Fish on!
It's all about the angling, it's about the anxiety. Right, welcome back everyone. We are down at the boat. The sun is shining. We have got a bit of north-easterly wind. Got Gareth with us today. Steve, some old geezer we found in an old people's home. He's alright though, got a good heart. Yeah, engine's not long been serviced into the dome. So yeah, we're going to have a go today and see what we can come up with. Well, we finally got us started, people. You don't see this stuff behind closed scenes, it does my head in. Battery was dead. It's just had a service with a guy, a Quicksilver and Arbor specialist, Stuart Monk. He gave it a service, literally I've not been out in it since, so the engine's spot on, but the battery needs changing. I haven't done it yet. So you have to jump lead from one battery to another battery. It's just a whole load of headache I shouldn't be putting myself through. It's a £20,000 boat. I come down here and I have more problems starting it than I ever did with Vigilant, which was a £4,000 boat. So, just shows you, money means F all, mate. Nothing. You got to do the little things, and then you don't have this stupid ag. But yeah, finally we're going to get out. Finally. It's a little trawler boat. It's a big girl, that is, big boat, man. But just setting the engine back to charge the battery up. So, get back to the motor, get down on the sea. I might have a little go for some light reef species down here. Light reef? That's take no notes of me. I'm tired, I woke up at 3 o'clock. I'll see you shortly. Thank God. So happy, finally going out. True angling anxiety style, guys. It's nearly started overeating, so we've stopped. And then now the batteries just don't seem to be doing anything. It's an absolute joke, mate. An absolute joke. Alright, the fish are on, guys. We had a few little dramas getting out here, but we're alright now. Lee's into what he thinks is Lee? Where'd I get Lee from? Steve. He's into what he thinks is a ray.
It ain't a dogfish, it's too heavy for a dogfish.
Never say never, mate. Monster dogs around here.
Could be a specimen.
Could be a specie dog.
Specimen dogfish.
Like you're a specimen, aren't you?
Oh, specimen, yeah. Might be everyone else's gear in a dogfish.
Yeah, it might be everyone else's gear in a dogfish. There's every chance. What do you reckon? What do you reckon, Ray, Steve? What do you reckon, Ray? Ray? Oh, what we got? Dogfish. 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 Oh, look at it. Beautiful. Always here to help us out. Good old dogs. It's not a dogfish, he says.
How do I know?
Listen, it's over the phone.
Yeah, mate.
No.
What you got that on? That's on a bit of yeah, sounds. They love it.
Alright, fish on, people. Don't know what it is. It's on a tiny little dead bit of rag. It's having me around the gaff.
It's a hound, mate.
We're on the spot here. Took us 7 hours to get out here. But we're on them.
That's what you got to watch. You get your rod pulled over the side out here.
Yeah. Got his little baby hound. Ooh, look at them go.
Kev, this isn't after zoomed in this a lot.
Well, then unzoom it, mate.
Trying to unzoom. Let's see.
Here's the camera quality, guys. Probably won't get to see this, it'll be unrecordable. So that was really bring terrible camera.
Oh, that's it. It's because some noddy.
He's in the money, is he?
Some noddy put the camera set up wrong.
She's scrapping.
We weren't expecting it.
Scrapping, she is. Old Ian Smith ragworm doing the business again. Most fish of the day so far.
What?
We'll have a fresh one, a bit of rag this year. Oh, he's on the stop.
Wait, take the thingy because I think he's tangled in one.
I ain't got you. Too good for that fish, isn't it? There we go, I'm the leader.
I've got you. Over that way. Right, hold up.
Oh!
Right, stick him over.
Oh!
Lovely little smoothie.
I'll do that for a food, guys. Alright, let's talk this out.
Tail's quite a big one, it's a two-man job.
Oh, it's a monster.
Right, watch out this side, Right, go on, I've got it.
Right. Hand of the day, second one of the day. Thank you very much. See you later.
Right.
Well, excuse the excuse the terrible camera quality by young Stephen over here. They're tide's not picking up yet. We're getting there. We're getting there. A few teething problems, but we're getting there. Oh, Steve's onto the fish. This is not a dogfish, we believe. It's not a dogfish, is it, Steve?
Oh, wait, it's fully line.
What you got on it?
Great lump of squid. This feels like a ray. It's definitely a ray.
You said that last time, mate.
No, because it ain't running that thing, it's just sort of like bright like a ray. Unless I got. No.
Where's my line at? Coming up from deep. It's head wobbling now, isn't it? Not so it won't be a dog. Can't be a dog, can it?
Can't be a dogfish, man.
Can't be a dogfish. Can't be a dogfish, can it, Steve?
I've not Kevin.
Come on. Give us good fish. Give us good fish. You might have me. Yeah, you've got me, mate.
No, look.
Oh, he's took a run. Oh, look at it go, look. Oh, oh.
Sand.
Yeah, but
That's what I'm saying, that's why.
you might have the other rod, but it's still taking runs. Well, they don't making it run. Alright, 2 seconds, guys. So look down, guys. Happy days. Smash the squid, circle straight in the corner. Get some baits back out.
I'll be nice, it's something that big. Fish on little. Don't feel big. Took a good run.
Yes, it could be going up tide, Kev.
Done half a mackerel. Good reasonably heavy. What's up with it?
He's in the bottom.
Yeah. Could he, yeah, I don't know, it could be a strap or something. It is a £30 class rod. So.
Yeah, it's tope, mate.
Good, give it a go. Could be a tope.
It is a tope, mate, 100%.
It's a tope.
Yeah, it's a nice tope. Yeah, let me get it. Yeah, you hold that and I'll tail it. Come stay back there. Go over the back there, mate.
On your what?
Right, this one's going to be
Very good little cunt. Right there,
on.
I'll bring you back in a sec. Go on then, mate.
lovely tope, strong. Strong fish. There he is. Happy days. Big set of gnashers on him. Good fish. Happy days. Right, we'll have a couple of photos.
Go on, bro. Oh. Well, guys, the tide has now picked up. The rods are sitting a lot better than they were. A little bit of a swell building, but nothing major. But yeah, tope, hounds, and dogs so far. We've had more dogs than you can shake a stick out. We just haven't recorded them because no one really wants to see dogs. But yeah, hopefully we can have a few tope. See what happens. The target achieved. I'm coming to get tope, so I've had one at least. We'll have to get the batteries changed out in the boat. It's a pain in the ass, which is frustrating, but it is what it is. But yeah, apart from that, happy days, lovely day ahead. Good to be out in the water, so see a few more fish here. Kaz is in.
Look up his corner, mate, and you'll wait for that.
On the mackerel again. Hopefully a tope. What do you reckon, tope?
It's like it's a big bass.
Right, it was a bass. Be lovely, wasn't it?
Got the head wobble of a tope, isn't it?
Yeah, shake.
Yeah, she is lovely, Ben. Little baby tope. Still good fighting fish. That's only a £20 class rod. Look at it go, look. Ain't bad. Yeah. Straight to scissors. Happy days. Boom, straight for the mouth. Well, that's the few of one of a few. Big shout out to Harvey Howe as well, and Shane Howe. Yeah, shout out to them legends from Cornwall, just in case they're watching. Let's hope for a few more fish, baby. Steve's looking all Stevie over there. Right there. Nothing massive. Yeah. Fish on?
Might be tiny tope.
I'd never guess a tope. I don't think a dog would knock it like that. It's £30 class, isn't it?
Yeah, small tope.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch it, can't be dog.
Definitely not dogfish. Cracking. Comes tope.
Yeah, small tope.
Nice.
Tope. Two tope down it.
Yeah.
Two tope, 2 hands. A few hands.
Yeah, you're stronger buggers, mate. Nice, isn't it?
Wickers.
So strong. Honestly, crazy stuff. Like making a drink. And he went with it. Boom, straight down, gusty. Lead into a tope. There's 1220s. I've got to get rid of this bloody dogfish. Tope, Stephen?
Tope.
Tope!
Oh, look at it. Shredding shears. Oh, look at her go.
That make me laugh.
Oh, oh. Look at the bend. Oh,
Oh!
might have right bit of it, didn't you? Some old 1220s, mate.
I like a nice sporty rod, Kevin.
Hey?
I like a nice sporty rod.
Sporty rod.
Sporting rod.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh!
Might be a good one.
Shaking his head, look. Could be bigger than you think, you know.
Yeah. Sitting up tired.
I think it is bigger than you think.
Hey?
I think it is bigger than you think.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Nice,
Yeah,
nice
toe.
toe.
It is a big toe. It's a nice one. I looked at it, boys. Got to get these over rods here. Look at it.
Oh, she's a good size toe. She might be a 40.
Right, we need to get that rod, boys.
Hang on.
Right, we've got gear
Oh,
everywhere.
she's a good size toe. Hang on. This is good toe. Oh, go on, girl. Go on, girl. On the fish now, he was complaining a minute ago, telling me my skippering was no good. Right, hang on guys, I'll bring it back. Straight back into the fish, people. Nice type again. Good size and all. Oh, decent size, £20. Yeah. Every day, straight into them, one after the other. Right guys, we just got the central going and the anchor pulled, so we've had to move. And Steve's he's ruined it for us. He was doing so well, and now it's gone quiet. I've just got the anchor back. Listen to him, he's old, he knows what he's talking about. Look at that geezer. Come on then, bud. Feels like it could be a tope. We'll start getting a few bites out of dogfish. So hopefully the scent's trailing there. See what happens. Could not be could well be a dogfish. Got a lot of time pushing through. But Aye. Yeah, I mean, it took a couple of good runs at the beginning.
Yeah,
but
small toe. Hold on, mate.
he's on that line there. It's swimming too far for a dog. That's for sure.
Right, that's toe there.
Tight, yeah.
Right, hold on, mate. Right, wait. That's the fucking problem. Bastards.
I'll bring you back in a minute.
There's a fucking way. Pick up a bit of grub.
Sorry people for the language.
Yeah,
It's got to be a dogfish.
no, mate.
Does it feel like a nice one, Steve?
It's alright, mate.
Yeah, I think so. Down there, isn't it?
That's what I'm saying. You just move through. You got to think that. You don't just come through.
Alright.
Good fish. See that now. Right now, when we come to land, I'll land. Take them on and
coming up through the water. Just it.
Very good.
Bad one.
Bad one.
Not bad size.
We'll bring it back to show you. Well, that one was released. Happy days, back on the tope. They're coming again now. Time for a sausage roll. Right guys, that is the fishing done. I've got to get to the tackle shop. I'm going to fish for some hounds off the beach tomorrow and targeting a stingray off the beach, so that's for day's fishing done. Bit annoying really, but got to get back. And I want to go get something to eat anyway because I'm starving. So yeah, happy days. Thanks for watching. Nearly shark season. Nearly when I come into my own. So just happy days. Thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. And I will see you soon. Much love.